USA! USA! Approaching the halfway!
Hello my beautiful people. Today another glorious day in Dorset. I know I go on about the weather every day, but we didn't really had a good summer this year, so every sunny day it's like a blessing. And today I'm in Dorset Nettle Eating Competition. My name is Marina. Welcome to my Holiday Addict channel.
Well, no, it's how many it's doing. It's supposed to be 2 foot lengths, and then you leave the stem. So you strip.
So I try to go away from all the noise because it's quite busy, it's very loud. I've got here nettle cider, so if I'm on nettle eating competition, I might as well have a nettle flavored cider, but it's not very nice. I drink it anyway because it's such a long queue to get something else, so I can't be bothered. So what it is, it's actually exactly what I said, nettle eating competition. You just eat a lot of nettles.
Thanks very much. I'm not sure about this. That was a one-off. That was a one-off. You have to share. Oh yeah! Oh yay! Yeah! Oh yay! Oh yeah! Got that one right. Ladies, gentlemen, children, and spiders, welcome to Dorset Nectar, home of cider. Stinging nettles are known to be highly nutritious, but few would call them especially delicious. Used in soups and purees, yogurt and gouda, or ground to snuff and snorted as powder, tasting like a mixture of spinach and cowpat, with hunts of gooseberry, hints of gooseberry, lychees, vole and wombat, and served for the space of half a...
From the men's competition 2 years ago, Jamie gave me a wave. Who we found out later was Sly, who had a little eat-off at the end of the joint competition 2 years ago, and we found a little pool of leaves uneaten underneath the man who said he would, and he didn't bring back the cup. So we're very glad that Jamie, the honest and wonderful, warm-faced Jamie's here. He's going to defend his own championship. So the rules are fairly simple. You get to eat these delicious stalks of freshly picked, pesticide-free, organic, local, Dorset, born and Dorset bred nettles. You get 30 minutes. All of the nettles are arranged in stalks of 2 foot long, and then at the end we'll be counting your stalks. So guard jealously your empty stalks. Don't let anyone else sort of find their pile is growing by.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Ethan, you're woefully
Cool, I need a few more cheers for your chosen supporter, team member.
Coming through, guys.
Rob Casey, who is fully immersing. So what should we do first? Do you want to do the ladies' cup or the men's cup? Ladies' cup, okay. So it's a great pleasure. Catherine, can you walk down this end? Here she comes. She's travelled far, flying the Welsh flag. Dante will give you the cup.
Thank you.
Oh, rookie, sorry. Number one rookie was very, very close. But the winner, I'm loving this tension in the crowd as the sun shines down on the king of the stingers, who is, with 160 foot of nettles, Carl!
Competition happened on the Dorset nectar cider farm. So you come here, you also can try different type of cider, you can buy different type of cider. But it's not only that quite a fun to watch competition, it's very beautiful surrounding. I mean, look behind me. They do sell food here, they do sell cider here, they have a beer here. But obviously it's not exactly very cheap, but if you're here on holiday, you also can come down here and have a cider too. They show you how they make ciders, they take you around the farm and you can sample it. So check out, this is a very beautiful place and a rural Dorset. This competition was fun. I really enjoyed it. I wish I could stay a little bit longer and listen to this amazing band, but it's very narrow road here and we're really worried that we're gonna get stuck in traffic on the way out. Even wonderful view just from a car park. Look at this.